Hey everyone, we're here at Canada's Wonderland. Woo! As you can tell, we got the beautiful waterfall behind us and we got our fast lane, so we're ready to skip the line.
Oh yeah, it's about to be a super crazy day here today. Second weekend, AlpenFury's been open. We're gonna get a couple rides on that and we're gonna try and get on it as many times as we can. We're expecting it to be a bit busy because second weekend, only running 2 trains. We're at one of our favorite theme parks in the world and we're just gonna enjoy the day. Weather's perfect, no rain, it's sunny out. And we'll see what happens.
All right, let's go.
Beautiful landscaping, as usual. Flood of people coming into the park today. And I think I know why. Can you guess why there's a flood of people coming in the park?
I'm honestly not too sure.
You're not too sure? Oh, I think it has to do with a beautiful blue looking ride over there. Following the crowd, we're gonna go right to AlpenFury, see if we can get a couple rides on that. We're praying, we're expecting the lines to be pretty long. You know, new ride and all that stuff, even the fast pass line, but we're gonna make the most of it. We don't mind waiting, but definitely gonna be a super, super busy day here today.
Can't wait,
Oh,
yay!
yeah. Okay, so it is early entry right now, and they're letting people who have season passes on the ride right now. Oh my God! Yeah! Oh my God! Let's go! Let's go! Yeah! Yeah! Let's go! Yeah!
So we just got off AlpenFury. We did 2 rides back to back, one in the front, one in the back. And it was freaking incredible. It was probably one of the best rides I've ever been on. The launch was insane.
Great ride. I'm not even gonna underplay it. It's more than great. That ride is perfect. It's amazing. It's fast. It launches you twice. So many inverts on it. It's insane. Like, it's such a great ride. It might even be #1. We're gonna get a couple more rides on it, but you know, we got a little decision making to do, but that ride is absolutely incredible. You guys just have to get here. Great theming on the roller coaster cart. It's a bobsled, so that's pretty cool.
Expecting it to be good, but truthfully not this good.
Yeah.
Like, this blew me out the water. We're about to be getting on one of our favorite B&M gigas, Leviathan.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
I like this one better than Millennium Force. Alicia doesn't, but I definitely do.
Millennium Force is better.
There's that beast of a ride right there. We're gonna be on that in about 10 minutes, I'd say.
Well, hopefully, I guess we're gonna see how long the line is.
All right, we are here and it looks like it's a walk-on for Fast Pass. Let's go. Time for Leviathan! Baby, let's go! No trims again, baby! Let's go!
All right, so Tyler just got himself a beverage.
Greenwood IPA.
Ooh, nice. So we just got off Leviathan. We did front row and back row. Honestly, such a good ride. Tyler, so what were you saying earlier about Leviathan?
Okay, so we haven't been to Wonderland in probably a little over a year. We were on Fury after we've been on Leviathan in the past year, so I was like, I think Leviathan's better, but it took a minute for me to realize that Fury's definitely better. Amazing giga. I still think it's better than Millennium though. No.
Why is there a ferret here? Don't kick him. You guys don't understand how cute he is. Oh my God. I love him.
Excuse me, please. I don't know, but do you like ferrets?
Go. Go. Go.
Thank you.
Go. Go. Oh, you're so cute.
Yeah, it looks so nice, but I'm vegan.
We're about to get on Wild Beast. It's a pretty rough wooden roller coaster. but we're still gonna get on it. Tyler's just finishing up his drink. We just had all that chaos with the wild ferret, which is apparently normal.
Parks up, they release cats to eat the like mice and rats or whatever. So maybe that's what that was. I don't know though. I never saw a wild ferret before. That was a good drop. A little slow around the corners here. But I know it's about to get wild in a couple seconds here. All right, let's go. Second drop. Wild beast. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Oh. This is rough. This is rough. Oh. Oh my God. Oh. I'm done. I'm over.
All right, that wooden ride is probably one of the worst wooden rides possible.
You're underplaying
ever.
it. I wouldn't even say one of the worst. That was the worst.
The seats are comfy, but that doesn't do anything.
Yeah, it was really, really rough. Either they need to get rid of that thing or RMC it.
I agree.
But, you know, still a roller coaster. It was fun, but really rough.
Honestly, I don't even think it was fun. It was painful. We just did a quick washroom break. Now it's time to hop on Vortex.
Oh yeah, we love this ride. One of our favorite swingers. Very good, very fast pace. And we're gonna hop on it right now. Let's go. We're just getting off Vortex here at Wonderland. And out of the two swingers we've been on, the Bat at Kings Island and Iron Dragon at Cedar Point, this is by far the best one.
Oh, for sure.
The other ones are more family friendly, but this one's like really intense, really swingy.
it is a little rough though. Like my head was going back and forth a lot.
Yeah, Lucia said she almost blacked out a little bit. Maybe got a
I
bit.
was a little dizzy.
She got a bit too much G's, but still a great one. And it should be coming. Oh, there it is. There she goes. Such a crazy experience coming out that hill like that. Oh my God. There she goes. Oh my gosh, it's so good.
All right, so we just went back to the car, got some water bottles, and now we're gonna head back into the park. And I think we're gonna hit Behemoth. Right, Tyler?
Yes, sir. This is so awesome how it just goes right over the path. Oh, look at that. Perfect timing. I think this is a good trade for X-Flyer. What you thinking?
I'd say so.
I'd say so myself. Oh, man.
We got here for early entry. That's why we were able to get back-to-back rides on AlpenFury. Once the park opened up, the fast lane line got really busy and long, so I don't know if we're gonna go back on it again.
Time to hop on Behemoth. A really good hyper coaster. A lot of hills. It's very fun. Our fast pass line is only 4 minutes. That is very specific. I've never seen it like on the dot like that, so I'm assuming it's gonna be a walk-on. We're in line now. Fast pass was probably about 4 minutes on the dot. But it's time to ride. We'll see you after.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that airtime, baby! Let's go! Oh man! Yeah! Oh, we got the trims. We got the trims. It's all good though. Oh, no trims that time, baby! Let's go! Woo-hoo! I'm flying on my seat right now. Let's go!
We just got off Behemoth. Behemoth was good as ever.
Yep. No complaints about that ride. Pretty solid hyper coaster. Love it. Good color scheme.
We just got ourselves a blue icy. And the thing about Canada is we always have paper straws, and we actually have plastic. Ooh.
For once, let's go. Canada's Wonderland. W.
I think we might be heading to Yukon Striker right now. Honestly, the park isn't too bad for Saturday, not compared to what we've been dealing with at Cedar Point for the last couple weeks.
But I feel like a lot of people are like at AlpenFury right now because there is a lot of people here. You don't see them, and I just assume they're all in line for that ride. I heard someone say when we were walking by, the line was like 4 hours long or something like that. It's time for us to hop on Yukon Striker. Best dive coaster that we've been on. 100%.
Oh yeah, without a doubt.
We haven't been on the new one at Great America yet, so you know that's
There's a good possibility that could be better.
way better than Valraven. 100%, no debate about that.
Honestly, I'm not a fan of Valraven at all.
Yeah,
But it's whatever.
Yeah, but we'll have fun on this one. We'll let you know how it is when we're done. Let's go! Fall Raven who? Fall Raven who? And there they go. So we're just getting off Yukon Striker, and I love that dive coaster.
Yeah, that drop and going into like that little tunnel there is probably my favorite part.
Yeah, you think the drop's over, but then you just keep going underground. So, you know, it gives it like a feeling of, you know, endless diving, which is pretty cool. We enjoyed it, fun ride. Walk-ons for fast passes all day, so we're really liking that part of the day so far. Regular queue though, not so much. Yeah. Everything is like extremely packed. Everyone's here to ride the new roller coaster. Let's go. Woo. Let's go! First ride, baby! Yeah! Just got off Great Canadian Mindbuster, and all I gotta say is, so they replaced half the track. The first half of the ride,
amazing, so smooth.
They added all new track for the first half of the ride. Second half of the ride is still the old track, and it just ruined the ride. Just an example on how busy it is here today. There are an endless amount of people here. They're just coming, walking by. It's insane. It's really, really insane.
So far, we had such a great day here. We have gone on everything multiple times, which is crazy because we're never able to do that at Super Point.
Yeah, not nowadays at least.
We're at the Wonderland store and we're gonna go find some magnets for our collection.
Let's go.
Oh, and they have some new AlpenFury merch here as well. Very nice. We just got some magnets. This was our new one for our house, and then I got one for my friend as well.
It's cool. It goes up and down. So that's gonna do it here today at Canada's Wonderland. We've had a nice full day. We've ridden tons of rides. We've ridden
everything.
Yeah, I said tons of rides. We've ridden every ride multiple times. We're going back to back to back. Leviathan, Behemoth, Yukon Striker, you name it. We were on it. It was a very, very fun day. We definitely got our money's worth for our fast passes. It's only 6 o'clock. The park's open till 10. So if we wanted to, we could have stayed a little bit longer, but I'm tired. We've been up since 4 in the morning.
And tomorrow we're going to Six Flags Darien Lake. It's actually our first Six Flags park, so we're super stoked to go.
Yep.
And our hotel's about 40 minutes away, so we're gonna go to our hotel, get some sleep, and be ready for tomorrow.
And also, we're gonna be hitting our 100th roller coaster tomorrow at Darien Lake, so we're super excited for that.
And you guys will come along and see that as well.
Yeah, and we know what ride is gonna be our 100th too, so we'll leave that for that. But we're super excited for that milestone there, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next vlog, and it's gonna be at Six Flags Darien Lake.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.
If you guys are liking what you're seeing, please like and subscribe and leave a comment.
Hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.